Hello and welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Every time you choose to listen, watch, or read something in English, you take one more step toward becoming a confident speaker. Today, we're going to talk about something exciting and useful, something that can help you speak better, think faster, and feel more confident in your everyday life. Our topic today is how to think in English using simple visual storytelling. This is not just about learning new words. It's about seeing pictures in your mind and turning them into short, clear English sentences. This will help you become a faster thinker and a more fluent speaker. Many people try to translate every sentence from their native language into English. This can slow you down and make speaking feel stressful. But when you think in pictures and short English phrases, you speak more naturally and easily. Let's learn how to do that. Start with something simple. Imagine an apple. Now, don't say the word in your language. Say it in English, apple. Then add a simple action. The apple is red. The apple is on the table. I eat the apple. You're telling a tiny story. That's visual storytelling. Your brain loves pictures. When you see a red apple, your brain understands it quickly. When you connect that picture with simple English, you create a strong memory. That's why this method works so well. It uses both your imagination and your language. Let's try a full example. Imagine a cat on a chair. Now, describe it in English. The cat is black. It is sleeping. It wakes up. It jumps. These are short, simple sentences, but together they make a story. You're thinking in English without even translating. Every day, try to choose one picture in your mind. Maybe from your real life, maybe something made up. Then speak about it out loud using simple sentences. This will help you use English to describe the world around you. You don't need to write anything down. Just speak. You can do this with objects, places, or actions. Imagine a bus stop. What do you see? A man is waiting. The bus comes. He gets on. He smiles. Again, you are training your brain to speak clearly without stopping to think in your native language. You can also do this when you walk outside. Look around and describe things in English. The tree is tall. A child is running. The dog is barking. This turns your normal day into an English lesson. It's simple but powerful. To grow your vocabulary, try adding one new word each day to your story. If you learn umbrella, make a picture in your mind. The woman has an umbrella. It's raining. She walks fast. By doing this, you learn how to use the word, not just its meaning. Don't worry about perfect grammar when doing this exercise. The goal is to speak and think faster. Grammar can come later. Right now, your goal is to connect your thoughts to English words and make that process smooth and automatic. Some people find it helpful to draw their stories. You don't have to be good at art. Just draw a stick figure, a tree, or a car. Then describe what's happening. He is walking. She is laughing. This can help your memory and make the lesson more fun. This method also helps you remember words longer. When you read a list of words, you might forget them in a day. But when you connect the words to a picture or a story, your brain stores them like a memory. That's much stronger. Let's say you learn the word balloon. Don't just remember the word. Make a scene in your mind. A child has a red balloon. The balloon flies away. The child cries. You've created emotion and movement, which makes the words stick in your brain. You can do this alone or with a friend. One person says part of the story, the other continues. For example, a man is running. Then your friend says he sees a dog. You say, "The dog is big." Your friend says, "It is chasing him." This is fun and great practice. This method works with any level of English. Even if you know only 100 words, you can make many small stories. The more you practice, the faster your stories will grow, and you will feel more comfortable speaking. Some learners say they feel shy speaking English, but when you use this visual method, it feels more like play. You're just describing pictures. That's easier than having a full conversation at first. It helps build your confidence step by step. You can even do this silently in your mind if you are in a place where you can't speak out loud. Just see the image and describe it with short English thoughts. It's like training your brain without anyone knowing. Try to do this every day for 5 minutes. Choose a picture, a memory, or an idea. Turn it into short sentences. Do it often, and you'll notice that English becomes more natural for you. You'll think faster, speak more clearly, and remember words longer. Thank you for joining me today. You are doing something great for yourself. Remember, learning English is not just about rules and tests. It's about using it to see the world in new ways and express yourself with freedom. Keep practicing, keep imagining, and keep speaking.